The shaking scale. One day, a zebra found a bathroom scale. He was quite amused to see it. He asked his friend, the parrot, about it. The parrot knew about the bathroom scale. He explained the working of the scale to the zebra. Immediately, the zebra stood on the weighing scale to weigh himself. It became a fun activity for him. But soon the zebra became very obsessed about his weight. He started getting annoyed with the scale when he noticed that the scale showed increased reading for his weight. He would then start kicking the scale. The scale got irritated. Next morning, the zebra came to weigh himself again. However, as soon as the zebra stepped onto the scale, it began shaking and the zebra fell down. Every time the zebra got onto the scale, it would shake him off, and the zebra would fall off and hurt himself. Soon he decided not to kick the scale and got over his obsession about his weight too. Who is the more superior? It was a hot summer day. An ant and a fly were bitterly arguing about who was the more superior. A rabbit who was sitting in his burrow observed them peacefully. First, the fly said proudly, "Hey ant, I am superior to you. I can fly. I can go into temples and freely taste the offerings there. On the other hand, you have to work hard to get food. So you see, I have a better life." It was the ant's turn now. She replied, "Do not be so proud, my dear fly. You are always hated when you enter temples. You are driven away as soon as you sit on anyone. I work hard and gather plenty of grain for winter. Later on, when you shiver in the cold, I am safe in my comfortable home." The rabbit came out from his burrow and said, "Mr. Fly, remember, before finding fault with others, first look at your own faults." Thurston the elephant. Long ago, there lived a herd of elephants in a valley. Every spring, they would leave their valley by the mountains and travel west to the big blue sea. In winters, they would return home to the valley. The oldest elephant, Usualon, would often speak about the adventures of Thurston, who was a small elephant. One day, Thurston was crossing a large grassy field when he heard the sounds of a fight and a cry for help. When he went close, he saw a brood of little red scorpions attacking a big brown ant. Thurston did not really care for the scorpions, and he rushed, charging and trumpeting, scaring all the scorpions away. When he went closer to the big black ant, Thurston could see that she was severely injured. He placed the ant on a big leaf and poured some drops of water over it. Slowly, the ant started moving. She thanked Thurston for his help and he left the place happily. Like this, Thurston would continue to help small creatures. How crows became black. Several years ago, there lived a crow that was white in color. An owl who owned a dye shop lived in his neighborhood. The various colors that the owl used always fascinated the crow. One day, the crow asked the owl, "Can you color my body pink?" The owl said, "Yes, my dear friend," and he asked the crow to come the next day. The owl had poor eyesight. While mixing the colors for the crow, he poured black color instead of pink. He told the crow, "Your color is ready. Just dive into that pool of color." The crow immediately dived in, but when he emerged, he saw that he was dark in color. He got very angry and cawed at the owl. "Why have you made me black? Wait till I catch you." The frightened owl flew away. Since then, crows are black, and owls, out of fright, come out only at night. when crows are fast asleep.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.